Hello students, this is the continuation of factorization chapter. See, here we will learn the process. This is applying this rule, that is a square minus b square formula, that is a plus b into a minus b. See, just go to the directly to the exercise 7b. Here it is given, number 1 is given x square minus 36. See, this can be written as x square, x into x square minus 6 square. That is, it is in the form of a square minus b square. So it is coming x plus y, x plus 6 into x minus 6. Next is 12x square minus 27. See, here it cannot be just converted into like this form. So initially we have to just find out the HCF of these two terms and just find out this is 3, because dividing this by 3, then 4x square minus 9 has come. Now this 4x square can be written as 2x square minus 3 square. So it is coming 3 is remaining over here, and this is a plus b into a minus b, and this is your answer. Next one is 16p cube minus p. This is also the same as like this. This is the numerical, it was numerical, this is actually alphabetical, parts are actually the x's. We are just finding out the very initially, that is the HCF of this two term. It is coming p, it is coming 16p square minus 1. 16p square can be written as 4p square minus 1 square. So it is in the form of a square minus b square, then we can also write it down with the 4p plus 1 into 4p minus 1. Next, number 16. 1 minus b minus c whole square. It is actually, we can just write 1 as a 1 square and minus, this is same, remains same. Just take this is a and this is b and put this accordingly the formula, that is a plus b into a minus b, that is b minus c. So now just open from this bracket, this is 1 plus b minus c plus 1 minus into plus minus b minus into minus plus c, and this is your answer. See, it is given x square minus y square minus 2y minus 1. So it is not in the form of a square minus b square. So just make it, if you want to just make this type of formula accordingly, then we have to just arrange in such a way that is with the group, it should be coming in that form. So take these three terms as minus as common, and this is coming y square plus 2y minus plus 1. So it can be written as y plus 1 whole square. That is x square minus y plus 1 whole square. It is actually in the form of a square minus b square. Just take this is a, this is b. Then a plus b, that is this plus this, x plus y plus 1, and a minus b means a minus y minus 1, and this is your answer. Now, number 25, say, it is given 9a square minus b square plus 4b minus 4. How this is, now once again you just take this. You have to just see which group you can just make it over here, just to get the whole square. So here 9a square it can be written, because it only b is there, then just try to just make the group of the b square form within the b group. So it is coming, see, minus, if it is taking common, then b square minus 4b plus 4 has come. So it is actually the square of b minus 2 whole square. This, the 3a square is 9a square, 9a square means 3a square minus b minus 2 square. So it is coming this a plus b minus 2 into a minus b minus 2. If I just open this bracket, that means 3a plus b minus 2 into 3a minus b plus 2. So this is your answer. Another is the last one of this exercise is 28. You have to evaluate that one. That is 7.8 square minus 2.2 square. So it is directly, you can just write it down a plus b, that is this a plus b into a minus b. So it is coming 10 and this is coming 5.6, and the answer is 5.6. So students, applying this a square minus b square formula, how you are just doing this factorization, you can just, I believe you can understand that one better way, and also try to just solve the whole problem within this exercise, that is 7b. In my next video, I shall just show you some more method just to do some factorization. Thank you very much.